Go ahead, start pumping.
That's what she said.
Yep, found it.
Where's it bleeding? Where's it coming from?
It's this line.
Oh, now it's bleeding from a different line. Is that the one that was funky?
Well, there's two of them that they stripped the nuts out on.
Is that the one that goes to the back? No, that's the one that goes to the front. Ah! Hey, Burnsy. Pump it harder, big boy.
No, I want to wait till he tightens it a little bit.
Well, no, I just want to see it burp. Oh. Yeah, it's blowing a little load. All right. Okay. I'm going to try to tighten it up, see what we got. All right. Mr. Muskrat here. You tightened her up, eh?
Yeah, it was just, apparently I had one that just needed an extra 2 turns on it.
That's all good.
So
all
I'm
right.
going to double check all of them, just be on the safe side. And we should be good to go.
Now, I checked our wire here.
Yeah, it's
You might
completely
need
vercocked.
to. You might need to go in there and just tighten that baby up a little.
Did that.
You can still do that a little more,
I'll see what I can do.
and then get it so our warning light works. But so right now, I guess next stop is fill it full of brake fluid, put it on the lift, and bleed them. Good job,
Leader,
ladies.
what? I just want to...
What? If you love her, lube her.
Yeah, sometimes going in dry is so much better.
Oh God.
Oh, damn.
I mean, I did get 5 kids out of the deal, so... I mean,
Sounds like
Yeah.
Burns. Oh, it's Scotty in the car, and we're getting ready to bleed.
someone bring me my other phone.
1
The
second.
one I took the video on is acting up again.
Right.
Let's do it again.
You getting stuff out of
Yeah, and actually it's pretty good.
it? Nice.
I just want one more for good measure.
Nice. Hi.
Hey!
Amazing Scotty in the Amazing Flying Car. He's in there pumping. Ooh, Malay's shirt in Malay's car. Look
Go
at
ahead.
you.
Yeah, I know, right?
Did you dress for the day?
I did.
Are you holding?
Yep.
Burnsy's down there bleeding brakes.
Okay.
And I'm up here on the
Good luck
thing.
though, dude.
All right.